How to create poll in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create poll on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, to create the poll, open the group or the channel or the chat where you want to post the poll. Just like this. And after that, here you can find the attachment icon just right here on the bottom left. Select it. Then here you can find poll just right here. Tap on it. Now simply fill in the fields like ask question now. Just like this. And simply add the options. Just like this. You can also choose the poll settings from right here, and after that tap on to send. And now you can see you have simply created a poll in this group. And that's it. This is how you can create poll in Telegram. Now do the same process for other groups or chats as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.